4th of February 2026. So let's start off with the analysis. All right, but before we go to the pound dollar, the technical aspects, let's look at the fundamentals for today, Wednesday, 4th of February. All right, Wednesday, 4th of February, from Nigerian local time is 6:48 a.m. So the major news we're having today from NFP, from what's it called, from USD, United States dollar, is the non-farm employment change coming up by 2:15 p.m. today, Nigerian time. Please take note of that and adjust it to your local time. The current time in Nigeria right now is 6:48 a.m. and the news comes up at 2:15 Nigerian time. They still have another one which is the PMI by 4 p.m. Nigerian time. So you can just do it to check Forex Factory and adjust the date and the time to your local time so you can actually see what you're expecting. Let's go to the technical aspect of it. This is fundamental. We really don't have any much, which is going to. So going to the next one, which is the technical aspect. Now on pound dollar, there's something fantastic already happening, which is a buy sell talks. We do this and said if you can see a break, if you can see a break above this, if you're looking forward to buy trade. Now we are already seeing a break above this, so we go to the 15-minute chart to see if we can actually see a current change of structure aspect of it. Now there's actually an internal level around here currently taking out. So I'll be going long on pound dollars, going long, stop loss, then take profits, minimum of 1:2 weeks to reward ratio. So this is what I'm looking at on pound dollar. So this is your stop loss should be at least below this previous level right here. That is stop loss at least below this previous level right here. Then take profit minimum 1:2 weeks to reward. But the main output is this zone here. This is where we are targeting out. What's going on? But then you mustn't get the remember. So you can target 1:2 weeks to reward ratio. Or then when you get to 1:2, you can now move your stop loss, your break even to make sure you really don't. So that's bullish on pound dollars. So going forward to the next one, which is BTCUSD. Now some actually ask why did I analyze what's it called the XY. So I'll go back to that. Now on what's it called BTCUSD, there's something actually going on which I'm not comfortable with. Remember, I've always stated that I love it when my trades are actually in line together. For example, my pound dollar, my BTCUSD, and XAUUSD, if they are all moving bullish, I want everyone to be moving bullish. If they are moving bearish, I want everyone to be moving bearish. But then we can actually see the opposite on BTC, where the BTC actually seems to be bearish, while my pound dollar is bullish. Now, looking at BTC, what you're seeing currently is actually a bearish pattern, but then except to see a move into this zone for us to look for the bullish. Now, you can see it's actually, let me close this. Naturally, this level then got rejected and closed above, below that level, but then we got this move into it, but they got rejected. I can see this again. So that what I'm still expecting, I'm still expecting this market to actually still move into this zone. To move into this setup. So that's what I'm still expecting. But currently you can still see that it's still going bearish. So I still keep fingers crossed to see what really goes on as it goes by on BTCUSD. So for now, I won't really be looking for any trade yet because I really don't like it when my trades are actually interwoven. That means one is going bearish, one is going bullish, because they are all having USD as their quote currency. So let's see what is going on. If I'm able to see a break out of this internal structure right here, that's actually a good sign for me to say, okay, good. They are likely to see this trade actually. Why am I saying that? I can also say this market making series of new higher highs and higher low. These are higher low, higher high. You can see higher on higher low. Then you can see the same level here. So we have a good chance that we actually break into this zone. So let's switch for that and see what really happens. Once we break into this, I will this, then I go wrong on BTCUSD. Therefore, the bearish aspect of it on BTC, I'm not really looking for any bearish trade for now on BTCUSD. I'm not looking for any bearish trade. So I'm more of bullish on BTCUSD. Alright, go to the final one, which is the gold XAUUSD. And of course, if today is the first time coming across my video, we do this every single day, dropping analysis and what to be looking at on each single day. So if you are not familiar with that, do it to make sure you hit the subscribe button so tomorrow you get notified once I post the next video. Okay, so let's go to the H4 to see where I got this zone from. Okay, yeah, this was the zone actually marked some time ago. I'm sure most of you can still remember when I marked this zone. And say we are expecting the market to clearly move from, I think I've already deleted that. Things are deleted already. There was a study the market. I expect the market to actually move into this zone after this, which were breakers from this for us to go long to this next level. So now this is actually already on the 5,000 level. So that's why I mark this. I got the 5,000. I like to see a break above that the retest, and that's what we're actually looking forward to today. Why? Because we already see that it's already on that level, but there seems to be a minor rejection. But I think that's just an internal rejection. We are still having very good bearish. So let's see what it is going to see the market moving to this level, then wait for retest, and we'll continue going long on that. So this is also my setup on XAUUSD, which is gold. Alright, so let me just move to the H4 so you can just see where I marked it, just in case you also need to mark your own chart. And for if you want to join the Telegram group, someone actually asked for Telegram. The Telegram channel is actually now available. The link is in the description. And if you want a recommended broker, the broker we have been using for years, you can see check the description. I'll be dropping the link there with the broker. And of course, if you're using that link, it gives you access to my trade algorithm. And in case you don't have access to the algorithm, it will be explained in the Telegram group for you to access the trade algorithm where you can see my trade. And please, if you're copying all the trade, ensure you adjust the lot size to lot size that's go long or you go short. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Please ensure you stay safe, trade safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.